In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opening balances for ARAP in Zoho Books. If you're moving from another accounting system, getting your outstanding customer and vendor balances into Zoho Books is essential, so your accounts receivable and accounts payable start off accurate. We'll walk through two ways to do this, starting with the opening balances screen and then an alternative that imports contacts and balances together. Begin by signing into your Zoho Books account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner and select Opening Balances under Organization. Set your opening balance date. This is the date that anchors your historical balances, commonly the day before you start recording live transactions in Zoho Books. Choosing the correct date ensures your AR, AP, and overall trial balance line up with your prior system. If your customers and vendors are already set up in Zoho Books, you can import only the balances. On the Opening Balances page, scroll to Accounts Receivable for Customers or Accounts Payable for Vendors and click Import next to the relevant section. Choose your CSV or XLS file and upload it. If you're unsure about format, download the sample file on that screen. It shows the exact columns Zoho Books expects. Click Next to map your file's fields to Zoho Books fields, such as customer or vendor name, opening balance, and currency. The names in your file must match the existing contact display names in Zoho Books exactly, including spacing and punctuation. If you use multiple currencies, ensure the currency in your file matches the contact's currency in Zoho. Keep amounts as plain numbers without symbols. Click Next to review, then import. Zoho Books will attach those balances to the matching contacts as of your opening balance date. If you haven't added your customers or vendors yet, use the alternative method to import contacts with opening balances in one go. For AR, go to Sales, then Customers. For AP, go to Purchases, then Vendors. Click the Import option, upload your CSV or XLS containing contact details plus an opening balance column and map the fields, such as name, email, currency, and opening balance. Complete the import, and Zoho Books will create each contact and set the opening balance at the same time, which is often simpler when migrating from another system. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth import. Start with a small test file to confirm your mapping, use the sample template as your guide, keep one row per contact, and enter AR and AP balances as positive numbers. After importing, spot check a few contacts to confirm totals reflect correctly on your chosen date. That's it. Your AR and AP opening balances are now ready in Zoho Books.